Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Weigh Safe Aero Hitch for your 2-inch hitch. It has an 8-inch drop or a 9-inch rise and a 12,500 pound maximum gross towing weight capacity. Now this ball mount with the included hitch ball will let you hook up your trailer to your tow vehicle. The shank right here is what will slide into your 2-inch hitch receiver, and the 2-inch diameter ball provides your connection point for your trailer coupler. The ball is a stainless steel hitch ball, so it is corrosion resistant. It does include everything laid out here on the table. It includes the 2-inch shank right here that will slide into your hitch receiver. Also includes the slider ball mount with a 2-inch fixed ball and the tongue weight gauge on the side. It also includes hitch pin and clip, so when you slide this into your hitch receiver, line up your holes, put your pin through, clip it into place to secure it to your hitch receiver. Does also include the slider lock pin and the 2 keys. What that does is that it'll go through the holes here and lock your ball mount to your shank so nobody can mess with it. And then the unique thing they include is this 2 5/16 inch clamshell adapter. And what this does, this will let you tow a trailer that might have a 2 5/16 inch coupler, and you don't have to change the ball. All you have to do is take this adapter, drop it over the 2-inch ball, clamps into place. Now you can hook up to that 2 5/16 inch coupler. And then when you're done, just remove this and go back to your 2-inch ball. Now the gross towing weight capacity is going to be 12,500 pounds maximum, tongue weight of 1,500 pounds, and it doesn't matter which ball size you use, they're both the same. Now we talk about tongue weight and why it's important. Tongue weight or pin load weight refers to the weight that a fully loaded trailer will exert downward on the back axle of your tow vehicle. Tongue weight is typically 10 to 15%, should not exceed 25% of your gross trailer weight. So for example, if you have a 10,000 pound trailer, should have a tongue weight between 1,000 pounds and 1,500 pounds, and you can adjust the tongue weight of the trailer by either removing or adding cargo or just redistributing the load on the inside. And the tongue weight should never exceed the capacity of your tow vehicle, your hitch, or any of your towing components. This hitch here is an Aero hitch, has a nice smooth modern design, has the built-in gauge here to measure your tongue weight to help you balance your trailer. A quick way to check is if your load needs any adjustments before hitting the road. And it's simple to use. You just couple your trailer and you'll get an automatic measurement every time. So there's no more messing around with separate scales. Makes everything so much easier. Also, this will offer you an adjustable height. You can see other range of holes here on the side. This will let you tow trailers of different heights with the same vehicle. These holes, if you measure them center to center, they're 1 inch apart. So it gives you an incremental height adjustment of 1 inch. Now if you put this in the maximum drop position like it is right now, it's going to give you a maximum drop of 8 inches, measured from the top of the ball platform to the top of the shank. If you flip this over in your hitch receiver, put this at the very highest point, it's get you a maximum rise of 9 inches. Now I did want to show you the locking pin for this. So all you have to do, comes with the 2 keys, pop open the cap so you can access the lock. And once we get that cap, then you take your key, line it up, put it in there, turn it a quarter of a turn, and it removes the lock. And then just slide your pin through your hole, take your lock, put it on there. Once you get it on there, just twist the lock back, take your key out, and it's locked into place. Put your cap back on to protect it. And just like that, it's locked your ball mount to your shank. Keep anybody from messing with it. Now the last thing I want to do is just give you a couple dimensions, and we're going to measure from these hitch pin hole centers to the center of the ball hole. And there's 2 hitch pin holes here, so the one closest to the ball, if we measure that center right here to the center, is right at 8 inches. And if we measure the furthest one from the ball, center to center, is right at 9 1/4 inches. But that should do it for a look at this Weigh Safe Aero Hitch for your 2-inch hitch with an 8-inch drop, 9-inch rise, and a 12,500 pound maximum gross towing weight capacity.